Come with me. I want to show you a very special place. It's where Austin Rover design all their new cars. And where they created the new Austin Metro. It has a totally redesigned front for greater aerodynamic efficiency. And the magic of Metro now comes with 5 doors. Both the 3 and 5-door models have totally restyled interiors, with improved ventilation and controls brought to your fingertips. There are new Maestros, including this one. Go on. The new 2-litre fuel-injected MG. And it looks really terrific out on the road. There are a lot more new cars I'd like to show you, like this, the new Austin Montego Estate. And I think it's the most stylish estate car ever designed. What's more, it's British. I've enjoyed finding out all about the new cars, and Austin Rover are challenging you to come to your nearest showroom and do the same.
Austin Rover, driving at its best.